We are back. We are back indeed. This is our first camping trip of 2021, and here we are. We got the rig, we got the truck. We're at Alum Creek State Park campground, and we have a waterfront site. Let's check it out. This is really it's our second time being on the water. We've been trying to get waterfront sites for a while now. Back in our pop-up days, we stayed on a lake on Georgia that was absolutely beautiful. But since then, we haven't really been able to land a water spot. So there you go. It is. It's definitely March. It's definitely in the 30 degrees range. But here we are. We have a water site. So beautiful view. Waking up this morning. A massive campsite, if you will. We have all this space. It's not real crowded. A little sad not seeing the campground packed, but hey, some peace and quiet's nice as well. So actually, we won't bring the peace and quiet. We bring the ruckus with what I have aboard. But it is good to be back in 2021 with the rig out, and let's go see what craziness. This is dangerous when you walk inside here. It's already a mess. What are you doing? What are you doing, Evelyn? Hi. You say hi? What are you guys doing? Eating breakfast bars? Watching TV? Messing up the camper? I just made the bed. Alright, so since it is the first trip, we got a lot planned. We're gonna be doing some hiking. We're gonna hit the playground. We're just gonna do some overall exploring too. We're gonna shoot the bow here in a little bit. Got to get that daily practice in. But after that, we're gonna hang out. We're gonna have a big old campfire tonight. Brought some wood. And man, again, it is good to be back at the campground. Let's go. All right, we are off. We are headed to, like I said, we gotta get that practice in. So we're headed to archery practice. Got Ruby back there. Belle, say hi.
Hi.
Belle, Ruby. Got short attention span, so we're gonna make this quick. Gonna get a few arrows in, and then we are gonna get back here. We're going to hit up the playground. And uh-oh, she heard it. And then we are going to go hiking as well. I'm trying to potty train. Evelyn is learning how to use a potty. So we gotta try to keep around the camper as much as possible. We didn't bring a lot of changes of pants. That would have been the smart thing to do. And it's just the situation we're in. So we're gonna have a good day. It's gonna be a good day. We are back from practice. Got our daily work in, and now these ladies, they are ready to play. Maggie, no. Oh, hey, Max. What are you doing, Max? What's Max doing? You sit, Max? Oh, Maggie's all excited. She won't sit for long. She's too excited to sit for long, guys. Are you excited, Evelyn? You gonna run? Show me you can run. fast. Yeah, Sissy's fast. Hey, we walking in the water?
We're walking in the water.
Yeah, can't go too deep. You gotta hold my hand.
I'm thinking, yes.
Yeah, you're splashing. Couple more months, we can go swimming, baby.
Swimming?
Oh no, not today. Not today. It's a little too cold. We will even do our part to help pick up, ladies. No littering. Gotta pick up that trash, right? What are you doing? Evelyn, what is it? What's that? Daddy's going down the slide too. Come on.
Are you gonna go for all of us?
Sure.
Okay, because I'm gonna need help catching.
Come on, Evelyn. I'm going, Evelyn. You did it. Give me 5. Give me 5.
Neck it or not.
Good job, Rubes.
I don't know. I said neck it.
All right, we got the fire going. We got the meat ready to be cooked. Or we're gonna prep it actually. So we got the fire. Girls are playing, and we are gonna have some venison round steaks for dinner. I'm winging the preparation here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do exactly. So stay tuned to see how I decide to prep this. Okay guys, so here we go. We got it all cut up, got it in the bowl there. A little bit of my twist on olive oil, a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning, and wait till you guys see how we're about to cook this. It's gonna surprise you, that's for sure. I'm trying something new and taking a little bit of the lazy route here when it comes to grilling the steak, so watch this. Well, guys, look who decided to join us. Home from work, home to the campground. Bet you guys didn't think this is how I was going to cook the venison. That's right. Got the air fryer hooked up. This is a lazy man's way of cooking venison right there. That's right. No grill. I left the Blackstone at home. Not doing the open fire. That's right. I packed up our air fryer, threw it in there. We're gonna see how this stuff turns out. And here we go. A little juicy from the olive oil, but the air fryer does do a mighty fine job cooking this stuff right here. We're waiting on the veggies, and then we're gonna dig in. How is it, Chelsea?
It's really good.
It's good? Evelyn, do you like it? Evelyn, Belle, do you guys like it? Oh, we got corn too. This is how we eat though. Just sharing the plate, right, Chelsea? That's how you do it when you're camping. Go ahead, Belle. Yep, finger picking. It's okay, Evelyn. This is real COVID safe, guys. This is how you don't spread COVID.
It's hot. Spit it out.
You okay, Evelyn? It's hot. Yeah, blow on it. Well, it's gonna be a good night. Well, here it is, guys. The absolute worst part of camping, and that is leaving. So we're all hooked up. This is it for site B39 at Alum Creek State Park. Beautiful site. Chelsea checked, it's actually already booked for the entire summer, so we will not be back to this site this year, but it was gorgeous.